In this video, I will show you how to create affiliate website. So search this plugin, Content Egg. Guys, if you are using WordPress, so very easy way to make your website to earn money by affiliate. Search this one, Content Egg, install and activate. All-in-one solution for creating affiliate websites. So this is the useful plugin to get the feature for affiliate. Already 30,000 active installation and good rating. So install and activate and give a try to this plugin. If you are facing any problem or you need help how to use this plugin, so check out my description of video. And also guys, comment if you have any question or query. So this is a short and basic video to learn and to know how to convert our WordPress site into affiliate website using this plugin. Thanks for watching.